Hello everyone, my name is Johan, I'm from Bridgestone, and this is Tuba from Optiyol. And today we want to share with you how we are joining forces to become Goods Transport Fleet's ultimate partner in mobility. I guess all of you know that today's drivers and fleets are confronted with many challenges, which range from driver shortage, weak profitability, increasing rules and regulation. And fleets want to solve that by managing their cost line, driving uptime, maximizing utilization, working on safety and comfort. And historically, Bridgestone as a tire maker, we very much help fleets with working on safety and comfort and lowering their TCO through perfect tires. But since a few years, we set sight on something bigger. And with our new portfolio of mobility solutions, we want to offer fleets a more integrated, a more holistic solution. And that solution is what we call Fleet Care, a bundled offering which brings together the best of Bridgestone. Fleet management to give fleets the right insights, our vast network of retail outlets to keep fleets going, and of course our tires. And that gets us already much further in helping fleets with all of their challenges. But needless to say, much more is needed if we ever want to become the one-stop shop provider for fleets. And so we started reflecting on what should we add to really add value to fleets. And so we interviewed and surveyed a lot of fleets across Europe. And what we understand is that what we currently have in our portfolio makes a lot of sense. Telematics and fleet management is actively used and is creating a lot of value. But in the future, transport management and the ability to optimize routing and loading is seen as a game changer. And that is something that we as Bridgestone can't do alone. That really requires expertise. Because when you think about it, if you have one truck and you need to do 100 deliveries, that means 100 combinations. If you have 10 trucks that each need to do 100 deliveries, we're talking more than 100 billion combinations, right? Now, nobody has the time to solve for that problem, which is where Optiyol comes into play. How do we go about fast optimizations that get us all the way there, right? So that fleets can get the 80-20 rule right. And today, we are making some first steps in a collaboration with Optiyol, but of course, the future will bring much more. And that's where Tuba will tell a bit more what is Optiyol, what they do, and what exactly we're already doing together.
Thanks, Johan. So I'm Tuba from Optiyol. So in the new world of transportation, last mile, middle mile, and the long haul are the biggest challenges. And Optiyol helps to solve these problems at speed and 10% better than the competitors. The problems are in every aspect of shipping, and shipping costs too much in terms of money, time, and reputation. And Optiyol reduces transportation costs and improves visibility for logistics, CPG, retail, and food service industries in their first mile, middle mile, and last mile operations. So Optiyol is an end-to-end delivery management platform with seamless integration across different parties. The planning is automated and dynamic. The drivers will have optimized plans and they can take proof of delivery actions in the field. The operations can track the live status of the orders and vehicles with integration to mobile app and also to IoT devices. Customers will have visibility and also on-time performance. And continuous improvement will be available with the analytics dashboard and comprehensive reporting. So Optiyol improves performance 15 to 25% on costs, 5 to 10% on fleet utilization, and up to 30% on on-time performance. So now we are working with 57 customers in 350 different operations. So we started in Turkey. Most of our customers are in Turkey, but we have customers in 10 different countries. So these range from logistics companies such as Horoz Logistics, Borsan Logistics, İnşa Logistics in Turkey for their last mile, middle mile, and first mile operation. We are working with ArcBest Logistics in their long haul operations in the US and DHL Express also in the US. We are working with B2B last mile deliveries for Pepsi, Ülker, and Azersun in Azerbaijan. We are working with long-haul operations for Kraft Heinz, Ferrero. We're working with B2C deliveries, e-commerce deliveries for MediaMarkt. It's an omni-channel delivery optimization, including depot deliveries, store deliveries, and returns from customers. And it is fully automated. There is no planner. It is dispatched automatically on a scheduled task, and drivers follow the routes. And we also have some shuttle service optimization as well. So with the telematics integration, that is the main point. So we are now integrated with the sister company of Bridgestone in Turkey, Arvento. So it is very easy to integrate. We just have the plate number, and then in the background, we just define what is the serial number of the IoT device. Then we can have the data from the IoT telematics device. So we will know that what is the actual route distance coming from the telematics. So that is 47 kilometers in this case, although the planned distance was 43 kilometers. So we can do the cost settlement and everything according to this actual route distances. And also we can bring more information like the temperature of the truck during the visits, during the day, what was the temperature for food deliveries, or other information related to maintenance and the other things. So it will be two-way integration between the systems so that the route optimization will work better, and also the data in the field will also feed the inputs. So we are just starting these integrations, and more collaborations will be coming on, and we are really excited to see that. And we also have a booth in the middle, and if you have any questions or comments, we'll be happy to discuss. Thank you.